tips for transforming your house into a dream home. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are looking at a cramped, muddy or uninspired backyard and wondering how to fix it, you are in the right place. Today we are diving deep into the world of small backyard patio hardscaping. But what exactly does that mean? In the simplest terms, hardscape refers to the hard or non-living elements of your landscape. While softscape includes your grass, flowers, and trees, the hardscape is the structural foundation. The stone pavers, concrete slabs, brick walkways, and wooden decks. When we talk about a small backyard patio hardscape, we are talking about transforming a limited footprint into a durable, functional, and stylish outdoor room using solid materials that provide a permanent structure for your lifestyle. Investing in a hardscape for a small backyard offers a wealth of practical and aesthetic benefits that go far beyond just looking good. First and foremost is the incredible ease of maintenance. Unlike a traditional lawn that requires constant mowing, watering, and fertilizing, a stone or paver patio is virtually set it and forget it, requiring only the occasional sweep or power wash. This is especially vital in small yards where a lawnmower might be difficult to maneuver. Furthermore, a well-designed hardscape significantly increases your home's usable square footage, essentially acting as an outdoor living room where you can host dinners or relax without the mess of dirt or insects. It also provides a level, stable surface for heavy furniture and grills, which is often impossible on uneven grass. Finally, hardscaping is one of the highest return investments you can make for your property value, as modern buyers prioritize low-maintenance, turnkey outdoor entertainment spaces. Decorating a small hardscape area requires a strategic approach to ensure the space feels cozy rather than cluttered. The secret lies in verticality and layering. Since floor space is at a premium, use the vertical plane by adding tall privacy screens, wall-mounted planters, or string lights that draw the eye upward and make the area feel more expansive. To make the hard surfaces feel warmer and more inviting, introduce various textures through outdoor rugs, plush weather-resistant cushions, and throw blankets. You should also focus on zoning the area. Even in a tiny yard, you can use a change in paver patterns or a strategically placed rug to separate a dining nook from a lounging area. Don't forget the power of lighting. Incorporating recessed LED lights into stone walls or placing lanterns around the perimeter creates a magical ambience that extends the use of your patio long after the sun goes down. Choosing the right items for a small patio is all about multifunctionality and scale. You want pieces that serve more than one purpose, such as a storage bench that doubles as seating or a fire pit table that provides a surface for drinks when not in use. Low-profile furniture is generally better for small spaces because it doesn't block the line of sight, making the patio feel larger. High-quality, durable materials are a must. Look for powder-coated aluminum, grade A teak, or high-density polyethylene or HDP that can withstand the elements without fading. A compact, smokeless fire pit is perhaps the best hero item you can add, as it provides a focal point and warmth for year-round enjoyment. Additionally, consider oversized planters to add a touch of nature without the need for a garden bed, and a high-quality cantilever umbrella to provide shade without the clutter of a central pole. The modern sunset lounge. This design features a stunning L-shaped wicker sectional with gray upholstery, centered around a sleek, square concrete fire pit. The hardscape is a masterpiece of geometry, utilizing large light-colored pavers separated by strips of artificial turf for a clean, high-contrast look. A built-in stone bar with high-back stools adds a second zone for socializing, while the surrounding cypress trees provide a natural wall of privacy against the sunset. The classic stone hearth retreat. For those who love a traditional feel, this patio uses irregular flagstone pavers to create a rustic, organic floor. The centerpiece is a massive floor-to-ceiling dry-stack stone fireplace that provides a cozy living room vibe. A wooden dining set under a neutral umbrella offers a perfect spot for afternoon tea, all framed by lush green shrubs and stone retaining walls that define the boundaries of the yard. 3. The ultimate outdoor chef's courtyard. This expansive paver patio is a dream for entertainers. It features a circular central fire pit surrounded by 6 deep-seated armchairs, encouraging conversation. Beyond the lounge area, a fully equipped outdoor kitchen with a stone-clad grill station and a formal dining table sits ready for large gatherings. The addition of a wall-mounted TV makes this the ultimate man cave under the open sky. 4. The multi-level stone sanctuary. If your backyard has a slope, this multi-level hardscape is the perfect solution. It uses tiered stone retaining walls to create separate platforms, including a built-in hot tub area that feels like a private spa. Wide stone steps lead down to a central lounging area with dark wicker chairs, while the surrounding mulch beds and ornamental grasses add a soft, natural touch to the heavy stonework. 5. The sleek geometric Zen garden. This ultra-modern design focuses on minimalism and clean lines. A central rectangular patch of perfectly manicured turf is framed by oversized concrete pavers and dark river rocks. A stunning vertical water feature serves as both a visual focal point and a source of soothing white noise, while the low-profile gray sectional and black sun loungers provide a sophisticated spot for sunbathing. 6. The Grand Estate Flagstone Patio. This design blends luxury with nature. Large, multicolored slate tiles create a sprawling patio that flows toward a pristine rectangular pool. Low stone walls separate the dining area from the lounging zone, which features a massive stone fireplace. The use of mature evergreen trees as a backdrop creates a sense of total seclusion and grandeur, even within a residential setting. 7. The cozy contemporary firewall nook. Ideal for very tight spaces, this design uses a dark, minimalist wall with a built-in linear fireplace to save space. A raised wooden deck provides a warm, organic flooring option, contrasted against a vibrant green lawn. The inclusion of woven pendant lights hanging from a tree and modern wooden chairs creates an intimate, Scandinavian-inspired atmosphere that is perfect for late-night talks. 8. The minimalist monochrome oasis. This courtyard-style hardscape uses high dark gray privacy fences to create an outdoor room feel. The flooring is a mix of smooth concrete and pebble borders, providing a modern, low-maintenance surface. White wicker armchairs with gray cushions provide a bright pop of contrast, while a minimalist waterfall feature against the back wall adds a touch of luxury and tranquility to the compact space. 9. The Floating Stone Island. Captured from a bird's-eye view, this unique design features a circular island of large flagstone pavers set within a sea of decorative river stones. This is a brilliant way to create a low-water, high-style patio area. A central metal fire pit and 4 swivel chairs make it a cozy destination point in the middle of a larger lawn, proving that hardscaping doesn't have to cover the whole yard to be effective. 10. The Circular Paver Conversation Pit. This design uses a circular paver pattern to create a sense of movement and focus. A built-in, curved stone bench provides permanent seating, supplemented by classic Adirondack chairs around a large stone fire pit. The contrast between the gray pavers, the bright green lawn, and the blue river rock accents creates a vibrant, multi-layered look that feels much larger than it actually is. Thank you so much for joining us on this tour of the best small backyard patio hardscape ideas. As we've seen, you don't need a massive estate to create a luxurious, functional, and beautiful outdoor retreat. By focusing on the right materials, smart layouts, and a few high-quality items, you can turn even the smallest patch of dirt into your favorite room in the house. If you found these ideas helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and let us know in the comments which of these 10 styles was your favorite. Don't forget to subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more weekly inspiration on how to make your home beautiful, inside and out. Hit that notification bell so you never miss a transformation. We'll see you in the next video.
you.